Hello, my name is Samantha. This is for the week 3 assignment, Leadership and Professional Development. With this, we used the HQC, HCQ. But with that, I tried to achieve a better positive connection with my coworkers um, through the work from home aspect and the group chats we use for work. I work for a company as a customer service representative called Granger. The company is a it is a wonderful company, and it has its positive aspects. But with working with customer service, can come with some frustrations. Um, I plan on implementing a positive response um, responses with some of the communications we do with work. Some of the posts that people to kind of help uplift them and hopefully make things a little bit better for them. With implementing this aspect for just the 2 days that I did. This it helped a lot, made a few of my coworkers feel a bit better and relax a bit more and see more of the positive aspect of the day and the task and the aspect of the job. When it came to the execution of it, um, when we post in the group chat, we usually use it for asking for help or questions in regarding to how to handle certain situations or certain questions that we may have, or maybe just inquiries or new aspects that may come up because can't always cover everything, so it's just easier. And some of us know a little bit more, or some of us just have a bit of a memory of things, so it's easier to communicate that way and just to be able to ask without any judgment or stuff like that. Um, I decided to respond to a few posts that the coworkers have made in regarding to some of the difficult calls or maybe some of the frustrations they were having throughout the day, whether it be a computer aspect or customer aspect or just something in general. Try to stay positive, kind of respond to them in a positive aspect, or try to say, hey, if you need anything, we're here, or hey, you did your best given the situation and all you can. You did all you can in that certain area. So don't stress too much. It's all good. We got you. We'll be here for you. Several times people responded with things about. That's a good point. Thank you. Today is a bit frustrating, but I'm glad you pointed that out. That way, it could kind of help point out the things that that I did try. So it kind of helped, and then it not only did that, but it also helped other people in the group chat respond as well, going, you know what, I didn't think about that, or such and such. Um, it was shocking to see such a small comment could make such a big impact with not only the main person that I was responding to, but several others as well within the group chat or within the aspect of the job in general, or even some of them even used it in certain other areas, which was kind of nice. It was kind of interesting being able to see that. Um, with the reflection aspect of it, let's see. During the first interaction, yeah, I was a bit nervous. I wasn't sure how it would come off to some people. I didn't want to upset or stress anyone out any more than they possibly could be. I learned with the positive aspect of HQC, it can uplift not only you, but others as well. It also helps everyone communicate better as a group in dealing with a group aspect, at least with the group that I used on what I experimented with. I would like to implement HQC in every social aspect of my life because it seems to help not only my anxiety, but it helps with others as well, knowing that they're not alone and we've got each other. We're there for each other. I feel it would bring a great outcome, not just for me, but for others, which is kind of nice. I would say applying it to even on the receiving end helps more only because it helps others see that maybe maybe try it as well, and in a result ease any stress or frustration that they're having with whatever they're doing when it comes to work or school or any everyday aspect. With implementing this experiment and the appreciative inquiry experience that we had done previously has helped me grow as a person personally and professionally, and not only appreciate life and people more, but give back in return so others can have the same joy as I do. The goal is to be a full growth minded individual. I really enjoyed this aspect in doing this as well. It was quite nice seeing what even just a small positive communication could do for people, as well as using not only the appreciative inquiry but the HQC as well. So I plan on using it more in the future, which is nice. I also did want to thank everybody for listening. I did also add in a few of the reference videos if anybody wants to watch a few that I looked up, as well as the ones that were provided for class. So they're here. I think they helped me a lot. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful afternoon.